What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. And listen, we're here, we're back with another video, and now we're gonna see about Crep. Now, I did a cleaning video before on a company called Cream City Kicks or whatever. I guess that video didn't go as planned or whatever, or maybe they didn't like the video. I had my daughter in it or whatever, I don't know. But I do have this Crep here. Now, this is the Crep Cure Kit. You can get this at Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs or whatever. I think it runs $18 or whatever. So I had a, you know, when you buy a sneaker from Foot Locker or Foot Action, you have a coupon, and clearly you can't get a sneaker for $20, but you know, you can save it up. For sometimes, you know, you don't make it within that time that they give you to, you know, get rid of that coupon. So before the deadline ends, I went ahead and caught me some Crep. So this is their Crep Cure Kit, Protection Kit or whatever, and we have some sneakers here that needs to be cleaned. Now, I've already took the laces out of these. These are the Ultra Boost 2.0 multicolors, and I really like this sneaker a lot, but it definitely needs some cleaning. I got these used from Capital BST. They have used sneakers, new sneakers, used sneakers, and they had these at a good price at my size, 12.5, which is crazy. So I definitely had to cop these. So definitely, let's get into the processes of cleaning. I want to know if Crep really works. Like, does it really work? You know, you got some dirt around the toe box area. The boost is a little dirty right here on both sneakers. So I also got a magic eraser just for those tough spots that's hard to get. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning and see if it works. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna hit it with the magic eraser. Dip this in some water or whatever, get it a little bit of wet, pause, and you know, just go around the areas where I feel like the magic eraser may do its justice, you know what I mean? So it's already, in my opinion, whitening up this boost a little bit, so that's what I feel like the magic eraser is good for. It gets like the hard to get spots, you know what I mean, or whatever. So yeah, and basically what I do is just give it nice, you know, one motion strokes like that, you know what I mean? Just one motion, just like that, because this stuff will start to peel out everywhere, so you don't want to get this everywhere. And that's what I'm doing right now, just hitting it with a little bit of this magic eraser just to get the tough spots, you know what I mean? I haven't cracked open this Crep yet, so I don't know what it can do.
The people got demands. Shit is critical. It must be dealt with accordingly.
Alright, so pretty much I went around the whole sneaker with the magic eraser. As you can see, I got debris everywhere from this magic eraser. We're gonna do the right shoe first. I wanna go through the whole shoe and you know, just see what spots I can get the best with, you know what I mean, the magic eraser. I think I pretty much cleaned up the boost the best it's gonna get. You know what I mean? I don't think it's gonna get super white or whatever, but that's probably the best this is gonna get right here. Now I'm about to move on to this Crep kit. So, cause I really want to get this knit cleaned up, man. I'm not sure if it's bringing up on cam, but it's really dirty around the toe box area. So, yeah, let's get this Crep kit popped open. Alright, so I guess it's the little booklet, you know, giving you the instructions or whatever on what it can clean, this, that, and the third. Comes in this nice presented pouch right here, man. I like this whole setup. You got your own cloth with the Crep, you know, printed in here. That's fire, yo. That's really dope. I like that. Here is the curing solution right here. There you go. And then you have your Crep brush right here. So this is I'm guessing this is the medium bristled brush. And that's pretty much it, man. That's what you get in here. You get this, your kit, your towel, and this. And I'm assuming you use your own bowl or whatever. And we have our own bowl. right over here. Let's move this stuff out the way. Boom, boom, boom. I have the bowl already here. It has a little bit of water in here already. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put water in here or not, but let me read the instructions real quick. Give me a second. Yes, so warm water and then I add the solution, and that's when I brush the sneaker off. All right, bet. That's what we do. So I got my water, got my brush, then I add the solution, and then that's when I brush off the sneaker. All right, bet. So let's pop open the solution right here. All right, so it has its own little nozzle right there. Pretty dope. So it don't get everywhere. And then let's do this, man. Jump right in. Get this thing cleaned up. All right, so I'm gonna dip it in my water. Dip the brush in the water like that. Oh man, we got the wrong shoe, bro. There we go. This is the shoe we was working on. Dip it in there like so. Move this bowl out the way so that's nice and damp. That's when I put a little bit of the solution in there like that, just like that, and I'm assuming we just scrape away. So this is pretty much, you know, the gist of it, man. I can't really tell right now. I mean, it doesn't look dirty. I think what I'm gonna have to do is pretty much just let it dry. You know what I mean? That's the best bet. Let it dry up, and you know, hopefully in the end, all the dirt that I did see around the toe box area is gone. You know what I mean? Let me hit it one more time, yo, just in case. Just, you know what I mean? Let's check it out one more time.
Motorola chopper running, ringing off the hip. I done picked the baddest bitch to suck on my dick. What they acting funny, I ain't worried about shit. Nigga came from the dirt, we ain't never say shit.
Alright, my battery died. From the looks of things, y'all, I don't know. It's hard to tell, bro. I swear to God, it's hard to tell right now. I'm mainly concerned about the knit part. The boost is whatever. I'm just mainly concerned about the knit part. And I can't tell right now while it's still wet. So we're gonna sit these to the side. I'm about to get on to the next shoe. Hit y'all with a time lapse of the cleaning, you know, that I'll do, and that's gonna be it for that. Y'all enjoy this music. I'll be back in a second. Let's get it.
Bitches suck on my dick. What they acting funny, I ain't worried about shit. Nigga came from the dirt, we ain't never say shit.
Alright, y'all, so that wraps up this last shoe right here. Basically, I crept it down. I hit it with the magic eraser on the boost area. You know, hopefully, I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed in the boost, man. It's like really yellow, but you may not be able to tell while it's on foot. But still, man, still a great deal for these sneakers. For the 2.0s. This is actually my first pair of Ultra Boost. I had missed out on this pair because my size is so rare at 12 and a half. But you know, you know, the guys at BST posted this on their Instagram, and I was able to come through with the dub, man. But yeah, you know, I don't know what to do about that boost, man. If you guys out there know what to do about the boost, let me know, and you know what I mean, I'm open to any suggestions. It looks like the net did get cleaned up, you know what I mean, the areas that I felt like needed the cleaning. Hopefully tomorrow when it's all nice and dry, I will be wearing these to my trip to Atlanta. I'll be wearing these, you know, for the trip, like on feet. But they were really comfortable. I tried them on in the store. Really comfortable, man. If you guys haven't tried any Ultra Boost, please believe it, try it. But I definitely had to get this colorway. Yeah, definitely. I will be following up with you guys tomorrow on if this Crep stuff works. Without further ado, it's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Atlanta coming, taking a trip out there tomorrow. Yo, SneakerCon's gonna be lit. We doing big things, man. Peace, y'all.